Meet the Marabou Stork, the bird that's always ready for a cleanup mission. This bizarre-looking bird is more than just a pretty face. Or well, an interesting one. Standing up to 5 feet tall, the Marabou Stork has a wingspan of over 10 feet. That's wider than a compact car. Known as the ultimate scavenger, these storks feast on just about anything. Rotting meat, fish, even other birds, nothing's off the menu. And that bald head helps them stay clean while digging into their, flavorful meals. But don't let their dining habits fool you. Marabou storks play a crucial role in the ecosystem by cleaning up dead animals and preventing the spread of disease. And don't forget to subscribe.